1, 2, 3, and there we go.
Good morning, I'm Jamie Stanley with Carl A. Nelson and Company, project exec on this project and also lead our industrial work. On behalf of Carl A. Nelson and Company, our design team, including Shoemaker and Holland, and all of our local subcontractors, we first want to congratulate Allied Blending on this momentous occasion. Second, we want to extend our gratitude. We're just so grateful that Allied Blending has put their faith and trust in Carl A. Nelson as their design builder. This adventure, if you will, and Randy enlightened me, but I started on this project about 3.5 to 4 years ago, and Randy told me, well, 20 years ago we were talking about this. So, you know, it started a dialogue with us several years ago to the present. We're going to be building a 50,000 square foot expansion that connects to this building. We're going to be renovating the tower and really just making this facility a little bit better. Not that it's bad, but it's certainly going to increase all of the things that Allied Blending needs to do to keep growing. It's going to increase their productivity. It's going to centralize their production welfare for their workers. It's going to improve life safety features in the plant. It's going to expand their production capacity in a major way. And it's going to increase their on-site warehousing and loading dock capacities. This plan also includes expandability, setting the stages for Allied Blending's continued growth. Growth at Allied Blending is solidified and solidifies their commitment to the Keokuk community. Sustaining and creating jobs, not only through the plant's operation, but imagine all the construction work. I mean, this facility expansion is going to employ 100 construction workers or more. That is just tremendous, what it's doing to this community. We'd like to give special thanks to Dr. Hempy, Frederick Shoulders, Jeff Brunin, and Mark Baker for their support through design. They have an open mind that we need as their design builder to design this facility. Thinking outside of the box to maximize value is at the forefront of every discussion and direction for this facility. It's truly been a pleasure working with this team and seeing their vision. It's just remarkable how much passion and vision they have for their operations. We'll be working diligently throughout the rest of this summer and fall with the goal of getting the major site work done. We've got to over-excavate 2 feet of fill everywhere here and bring this pad up. And then we've got to construct the foundations, and we're trying to do that before a hard winter sets in. And then over the winter, we'll be erecting the building. So come back next spring and you'll see a building here. We're looking forward to it. Now, I do have an ask. If you could cross your fingers and say a prayer. We'd like to ask for some mild winter to get that done. In closing, congratulations again to the entire Allied Blending and JRS team and the Keokuk community. We look forward to standing here with you, hopefully not too much longer next year from this date, having a grand opening celebrating this new expansion. We thank you, and we look forward to the continued success.